कहते हैं कि ओ मोटरसाइकिल गर्ल कर ली है
तो दिमाग खराब हो गया,
सुहाई का दिमाग खराब हो गया।
मेरा दिमाग तो हर दफा खराब हुआ है।
अगर वुमेन सेंट्रिक फिल्म नहीं मिलेगी तो अब वो
करेगी ही नहीं। That's not. I would love. You know this. I love comedy. I love those mindless comedy movies also. I would love to do a film like that. I mean, उसके लिए भी बड़ी conviction चाहिए होती है करने के लिए. I think अब तो और ज़्यादा conviction चाहिए होती है. But even then, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है इस तरह की फिल्मों से, एंड आई वुड लव टू डू लाइक अ लव स्टोरी और लाइक अ आउटराइट कॉमेडी।
पिछले साल में कोई एक ऐसी फिल्म आई है व्हिच यू हैड थॉट कि हां यार ये मुझे करनी चाहिए, नॉट कि ऑफर हुई कि नहीं हुई, बल्कि यार आई विश आई हैड डन दिस। केक
आई मीन आई स्टिल हैवंट।
फैंटास्टिक।
या I think if one of those roles,
women representation done right,
yes,
like Motorcycle Girl,
yes, that's important.
But you said yes to Surukh Chandni,
yes,
which is a social project, and it's about an acid burn victim.
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about the character and the story.
She's a survivor though.
Okay. We don't say victim these days. Now she's a survivor. Okay.
Yeah. No, but okay. So you're asking the reason why I took it up?
Yes.
So the reason for doing Surukh Chandni, I feel obviously because it's a social topic, it's very prevalent. We keep hearing, हम लोग globally भी सुन रहे होते हैं, हमारे यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, हमने देखा भी है. I mean, I've seen girls, I've seen guys, people. But वो reason obviously था because I feel as an actor थोड़ी बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बिल्कुल आप पे होती है, लेकिन मैं इसलिए नहीं करना चाहती इस तरह के प्रोजेक्ट दैट आई फील दैट आई एम अ सोशल वर्कर. अगर मुझे ये सब करना है देन फॉर सोशल चेंज, आई मीन दैट्स नॉट माय प्राइमरी रीजन फॉर डूइंग प्रोजेक्ट लाइक दैट. फॉर मी आई एम एन आर्टिस्ट. आई थिंक फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट आई एम एन एक्टर, एंड व्हाट ड्राइव्स मी और व्हाट द काइंड ऑफ रोल्स that kind of challenge me in a way, that you know I have to, like when I heard that this is the character that I have to play, when Sana spoke to me, Sana Shahnawaz, who's the producer, when she told me that we're making this play and it's about this and this is the girl that you'll have to play, and there was so much that went through my mind, and I was like, okay, physicality में ज़ाहिर है जो उसका वो सब भी होगा, so obviously it's not going to be a glam role. Other than that, obviously more than anything else, I was like, headspace wise, it's going to be a heavy character. And let me tell you this, when I heard, I thought it's going to be like heavy. I didn't know it was how heavy, because abhi recently we were on abhi humne thoda sa break, we were resuming shoot next week, but when we were shooting, I would keep telling Sana that, you know, listen, I think I can't shoot tomorrow because I can't explain. I think jab play chalega and I feel
it affects you, right?
Yeah, it does. It does. It's not easy. आप switch on, switch off नहीं कर सकते. The kind of चीज़ें, जो चीज़ें उसमें address हो रही हैं, या जो जिस तरह की जो नौयत है हर scene की, वो करने के बाद it's very tough to go home and just switch off and be normal, you know. So I've been struggling with all of that as well.
It's difficult to film as well. I believe बहुत outdoor shooting थी और.
Yes. I think मेरा सबसे toughest drama in terms of performance, in terms of look and feel, in terms of everything, in terms of the effort that I have to put in terms of like, I thought, okay, you know, I'm so like, I'll do it and it'll be fun. But when I was doing it, we have a great director, Shahid Shafat, who's amazing. So I would keep talking to him also, and मैं realize कर रही थी ड्रामा जब हम शूट कर रहे थे उसके बीच में कि ये बहुत मुश्किल, like there were moments where I was struggling, where I was like, I didn't know how to approach a certain scene. Or you know, like I would be unsure. I'd be like, what am I supposed to feel here? और इतने उसके, you know, also I feel it's मुझसे बहुत opposite है, because as a person, जिस तरह की मैं हूँ, जो character मैं play करी वो बिल्कुल उल्टा है, तो मुझे उसकी वजह से और ज़्यादा conviction, आप समझ रही हैं मैं क्या कह रही हूँ, like, because you know I'm not like that, so I'd be like, मैं होती तो मैं ये कर देती, and he's like, but that's the thing, तुम ये नहीं हो, this girl is not you. So imagine that you were this girl and this was happening to you and this was your reaction and this was all that you could do, and that makes me, I don't know, I don't have the, मुझे frustrate करती है वो चीज़, and I'm still struggling with it. I still have, and I obviously people keep, like the director keeps telling me that we're still left with like itna kaam, so please, like you have to stay connected, and I obviously I try doing that, and I think मैं अपने काम के बारे में बहुत selfish भी हूँ, so I'm connected and all of that. But it's a tough one.
It's a tough one, but we're looking forward to it. I think.
I'm very nervous.
Nervousness is good, right?
Okay.
Nerves are good.
Okay.
Nerves are good. So, there's no film in the pipeline. I know you're very picky about the people you work with.
Yeah, I mean, in a way, maybe. Um, but you know, no more than that, Amna, I feel it's the script, it's the content, it's you know, when you hear a script or when you read a script, if it clicks, it clicks. You know, then I don't really care कि मैंने script पढ़ा है नहीं पढ़ा है. अगर मुझे पता है कि these people and this idea or it will be executed like that. Like even at first when I heard Surf Chandni का script, I was very dubious. I was like ये execute हो पाएगा जिस तरह से हम करना, you know, उसके साथ justice करना, उसको just because even today I think एक वो भी चीज़ शुरू हो गई है where people just want to talk about this social change and all these things to sound woke. Or to just get on a bandwagon or be like, हाँ ये तो ऐसे होना चाहिए और नहीं होना चाहिए. Yeah, because it's the new woke thing to do. So वो भी मुझे बहुत problematic लगता है कि किसी चीज़ को sensationalize करना अपने 2 minute of fame के लिए या किसी चैनल की TRPs के लिए. So वो सब के साथ मैं struggle कर रही होती. But माशाल्लाह we have a great team on board and the director, he's on point with everything. The producer, Sana, she always, you know, tries to make projects that the stories she wants to tell. So, you know, we all connected and it was
okay,
like...
But this is great, but, you know, we've heard that JPN is coming back with a third.
Is it? They didn't tell me.
So I've heard that there's a JPN 3 in the pipeline.
Oh.
Is there any chance that Zoya will ever come back? Because that's a character we absolutely adored. You didn't think it would be such a big hit, right?
No. I mean, I thought I was playing a character, but yeah, like it's going to be good. But like,
role, Chota Sa, but it was fantastic.
Yeah, obviously because of Nadeem, I did know, okay, you know, this is going to be one big amazing, well executed. Yeah, you know, and it was. And even the second one. But having said that, I didn't think my character itna wo, like I didn't, I didn't think so. And Nadeem, I keep saying this, the description he gave me was, you just have to come on set and be yourself. And I was like, now when I watch the film, I'm like, do you see me like that? Like this annoying selfie girl? He's like, no, but like, you know, I do these little like gimmicks and things. And no. There was no prep. Like for Motorcycle Girl, there was not, except for the riding, but like there was so much prep because Adnan would keep telling me, so I don't want to see like your glimpse in this character because this is not you, it's poles apart, right? But for Jawani, I just had to go on set and just like have fun. So I had the best time playing that role.
Great. And I hope that we'll see a comeback.
Hopefully, I mean, it's an amazing franchise, and you know, it's a great. It will be a great opportunity if it does. But Abhi, I don't know anything. I don't think they.
So just for our viewers and people who love you and who love Zoya, how about a message as Zoya?
Hi guys, this is Zoya, and all of you need to like keep watching Something Hot because it's like so lit. It's like MAMA. Mashallah, mashallah.